Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to install and set up your HP PageWide Pro 477DW series printer on your Windows device. So whether you're on a Windows, PC, laptop, tablet, desktop computer, in today's tutorial I have you covered. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser, and into Google you want to search for HP PageWide Pro 477DW support. Go ahead and search for that. Best results, you come back with an HP support page that says HP PageWide Pro 477DW multifunction printer series. Go ahead and open up that link. And now scrolling down underneath support categories, select the software and drivers tile. And then scrolling down again underneath the driver product installation software, you want to select the HP PageWide Pro 477DW multifunction printer series, full software solution. Go ahead and download that. And then once it's downloaded to your system, go ahead and open up that file to begin extracting the contents. You can minimize or close out of the web browser at this point as well. And if you receive a user account control prompt, it should be from HP Inc. Select yes, and then just proceed with the on-screen wizard. Make sure your printer is connected and turned on to your Wi-Fi. And then you can optionally install certain features if you want to have them on your device. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.